Blanket stitch is such a versatile embroidery stitch. It's brilliant for decorative edges, and it's invaluable for adding extra reinforcement if you're mending clothes, especially ripped seams. You can work this stitch flat in a hoop, but it's often used for edging, as I'll demonstrate. Insert the needle where you want to start, and pull the thread through. Take the needle a stitch length along and insert it a short distance below the stitch line. Loop the thread behind the needle where it emerges, then pull through gently to form the stitch. Continue building up the stitch in the same way, starting below the stitch line and looping the thread around the needle to create the distinctive blanket stitch effect. If you're decorating a seam edge, keep an eye on how the stitches look on both sides so that they stay even. I ended up drawing lines with a fabric marker to help me keep the stitches more precise. If you're stitching something like a cushion cover, you can easily secure the thread on the reverse when you're finished. If you're decorating something closed, like this pin cushion, secure the thread by running the needle into the seam and out again a little further on. Cut the thread where it comes out of the seam, and that will be enough to prevent any unravelling. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with a tutorial for coral stitch soon. If you'd like to see more tutorials, you can check out my stitch library here. Bye for now.